Andhra Pradesh has already completed testing of more than 25,34,304 test cases, sir, with a confirmed case figure of 2,35,000 and odd numbers, sir. Sir, our tests per million today stands at 47,459 tests per million, sir. Our mortality rate is 0.89%, sir. Sir, our strategy has been, our focus has been to ensure that we bombard these tests in the clusters, sir. Wherever there are wherever there are cases of more than 25, we've drawn a cluster of 50-meter radius, and 85 to 90% of the testing is done only in these clusters. Before I started off with this strategy, sir, we had a choice. Everybody said, the moment we start bombarding like this, the numbers would go up and it would create a panic and all kinds of stuff. All kinds of things were stated, sir. But, sir, our focus has been, drawing inspiration from you, our focus has been to bombard these tests only in these clusters to the extent of 85 to 90% of tests are done only in these clusters, so as to detect cases as early as possible, sir. Only when these cases are detected as early as possible can we achieve this lowest number of mortality deaths, sir. So during the month of March, sir, when the first case was identified in our state, we had to send the test samples all the way to Pune, sir. We never even had a virology lab in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Today, from that stage, we have drastically improved our testing facilities to an unprecedented level of conducting 47,459 tests per million, sir. Sir, we have testing facilities currently stationed in one of every 13 districts that we have, sir. All of them are self-reliant for testing now. Not only that, sir, every district has also become a self-reliant for medical care of COVID patients as well, sir. For treatment of the mildest of the cases to the most severe of the cases, sir. Sir, we have identified 138 government and private sector hospitals as COVID hospitals to treat patients in a decentralized manner, sir. Sir, with the total bed capacity in these 138 exclusive COVID care hospitals, 37,189 bed capacity is incorporated there, sir. Similarly, the number of COVID care centers to treat mild patients, sir, we have identified 109 such locations with a bed capacity of almost 56,000 bed capacity there present as well, sir. Sir, oxygen beds were also substantially enhanced in the state to take care of patients. Before the epidemic, sir, the total number of oxygen beds in the government hospitals was just 3,286, and today 11,000 more such oxygen beds have been added to the list in the past 3 months, sir. Sir, help desk to help the patients, sir, in distress to get quick admission in the hospitals. We formed help desks with call center numbers put in place where 24/7 call center numbers are functioning, which provide hospital facility to anybody who makes a phone call and within a half an hour, sir. Also to provide information to patients as well, sir. Sir, we've recently procured and launched almost 1,088 new ambulances, sir, to deal with emergency services, sir. Sir, having said all these things, sir, as I've said, sir, these are testing times, sir. And your support during these testing times has been exemplary, sir. Of course, if you were to ask us, especially if you were to ask me what more can be done, I would request from you, sir. Sir, Andhra Pradesh state is a new state, and we do not have Tier 1 cities like Hyderabad or Bangalore or Chennai, sir, to support our patients. We're trying to ramp up our infrastructure facilities, sir. We're trying to ramp up our hospitals, which actually are Tier 2 cities which come actually from Tier 2 cities, sir. So there we would request your help in ramping up this medical infrastructure in whichever way possible, sir. That's all what I can say. But I thank you for all your support, sir.